Hello everybody. Today we got a little package from Big Willy CPL. Big Willy the Locksmith CPL. Here we go. Little package here. Set my candy down. Let's see what he sent me. Said he was going to send me a pick. Let's see what he got. That was cool of Mr. Big Willy. Told him I'm collecting picks from pick makers now that I got this sweet pick roll. So there's the package. Ooh, package in a package. Nice. Let's see what we got here. Get the old scissors back out. Ooh, he calls this the Neo Mountain Rake and a tension wrench. A little Z tension wrench. 2 different sizes. Nice. Check out that rake. Ah, it's like a 6-spinner. That's neat. I like the wave. Got a cool grip on it. Excuse the band-aid there. You know, dangers of lock picking. Awesome. So, well, I can't use this on today's lock, but I'm going to put that right here in my roll. See if that guy will fit in there. Yeah. That'll work. So, yeah, cool. Let's, thank you, Mr. Big Willy. But now we're going to pick a lock. Put you in the box. I tried a West Coast Picks lock yesterday and just humiliated me. Killed my battery, everything. Had to throw that guy in the naughty bucket. I just could not get into the pin party. So this one's pinned by PickMe 1977. It's the 500. Quick set. Works pretty good. Well, it's not upside down. The key comes out. Alright. Let's see if we can't get into this guy. Trying to make some minor adjustments here. It's hard to get everything in frame with this giant awesome pick roll. There's the bitting. Pretty good bitting there. And it seems how it's a pick me. I guess it's only fitting. Let's try to use a gem on it. That's one of Pick-me's favorite tools in his arsenal. Alright. Here we go. Go to the back. And let us start. Got a little rotation from 5. Some counter on 4. And nothing on 2. I think I missed 3. Got some crunchy, little rotation off of 3. Some counter off of 2. Try to hit 1 here. Got some counter off of 1. Gotta do a little bit of a false set. Counter off of 2. Some clicks. Another click. We'll leave it at that for now. Nothing off of 5. Counter off of 4. And some clicks. It's like counter off of 1 again. It's like 4 is binding. 3. 1. Wow. Can't pick a lock for the life of me. Turn that a little better for you. There we go. Seemed to be getting nowhere. Had a lot of feedback. I must have overset something. Click off of 3. Feels like there might be some good old threading in there. Come on, quick set. Yeah, I think I overset something. Yeah, everything went springy. Reset. Start over again. Okay. Reach back to 5. See what we got going on 5. Over tension in here. Oh, we got open. That was nice. Wow. Yeah. Open on 4, I believe. Sometimes the reset does all the wonders. Turn that a little more. Awesome. It had me worried at first. Thought I wasn't going to get a video out. Man. Awesome, PickMe. Thank you. Let's set that guy down here. A little drop ski. Boom. Put everything in frame. Get all my candy out of the way. I'm going to eat that and play with that new pick I got from Big Willy. His picks seem to work really well. I really enjoy using them. And I always like a custom pick. The only ones I've made before were out of street sweeper blades, and well, they're not too pretty. But sometimes they work. Let's see what PickMe put into this guy without dumping everything. Okay. Always pick up my follower before a shim, of course. Cut our way through there. Alright, here we go. Oh, man. You can already see he's got a notch cut out of the plug there. Yeah, that's what hung me up the first time, I guess. It's everything had to be picked. Looks like one's a slight overset trap. Everything works nice and smooth. A little greasy on that lock. Nice lubed lock. Alright, let's dump these guys out. There's one big gigantic pin, a Gigantor. Four and 5. Yeah, that's it for there. Nice. Hope everybody's having a great Friday. I know I am now that I got a lock open. That was awesome. Oh, I launched that guy. Oh, he's a standard anyway. Whew. Alright. Got a steel spring. Try not to launch these anymore, because they sure are hard to identify when they go flopping around everywhere. Oh no. I saw how he came out. Just making a mess out of everything. Being a little quiet, trying to pay attention. Whoa, that is a serrated goodness. Reduced diameter. Come up. Come up. And see if we can't get 4. 4 is out. Get the spring. And we'll go for 5. Get out of there, Shim. It's hard to do this when your hands are a little shaky. Alright. Wow, that one just barely poked out. Come out of there. Come out of there. These are some nice looking pins. Well done, PickMe. You make some great pins, sir. Come out of there, spring. Was it hammer time? Now we use this old curved needles guy here. Try to get that spring out. And I think that spring is stuck. Oh, there he comes. Gotta get a better tool. Oh well, this one works pretty good. Slightly magnetic, must be a steel. Alright, let's go for the plug. Looks like we got threading in 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then that cutout of the plug there. A nice little cutout. Nice. Up in the Bible. Get my trusty little keychain light here. Looks like threading in, what is that, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, I'm not even in the frame. 3, 4, and 5 is threaded. Hard to see back in there, but you can trust me. Alright. Let's do the roll call on these pins. Check those guys out. Let me scoot back here. Alright. One is, it's got a tiny T-pin, and no, it's not reduced. No, just a tiny bit of a T-pin at the top. Serrated, double serrated. Number 2. Number 3 is a really sharp serrated guy. Man, this camera sucks. Oh, okay. Anyways, number 4 is kind of a, well, it's a serrated with a spool on top, really sharp on top. 4 is a double serrated. The drivers, number 1 is the standard. 2 is it's a really sharp spool. It's got a little reduced middle up there. Too much glare. Can't see it. Number 3, awesome serrated. It is super serrated. Number 4, serrated on top and bottom, looks like a reduced middle. Number 5 is serrated, double serrated on both ends. Really sharp serrations. Yeah, so that's it. The springs, the steel, copper, and a steel. Yeah, I wish you could see these awesome pins a little bit better, but we can kind of make them out there, I guess. Bear with me, I'll get a new camera soon. Alright, guys, that was the show. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for all your comments and your encouragement. And thank you, Mr. Big Willy, CPL, for the awesome Neo mountain rake. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to use it. Here, I'm going to eat some candy and get to work on that. I'm sure it works great. Thank you again, sir. Everybody else, well, everybody, be well and behave.